Rural Connect full review: features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to their plans and services are in the description below. Rural Connect is a broadband provider specifically focused on bringing reliable internet services to rural and remote areas of New Zealand. As the name suggests, they specialize in bridging the gap for users who may not have access to mainstream urban internet providers, offering both fixed wireless and satellite broadband services. One of the standout features of Rural Connect is their commitment to providing flexible solutions for areas where traditional fibre or ADSL connections are either unavailable or too expensive to install. With speeds ranging from 20 Mbps to 100 Mbps on wireless plans and higher speeds available through satellite options, Rural Connect ensures that even those in the most isolated locations can enjoy a fast, stable internet connection. Rural Connect offers various plans to cater to different needs, whether it's for light browsing, home offices, or heavier tasks like streaming and gaming. Their pricing is competitive for rural markets, and they also offer a no lock-in contract, giving users more flexibility compared to some other providers in this space. In terms of support, Rural Connect has a reputation for responsive customer service, particularly in rural areas, where users often face more challenges with internet connectivity. They also provide excellent troubleshooting assistance for their satellite services. However, there are some limitations to be aware of. While Rural Connect excels in remote areas, users in urban zones may find their coverage limited, especially for fibre connections. Satellite services, although reliable, can suffer from occasional latency issues or weather disruptions, which can affect the consistency of the service. Overall, Rural Connect is an excellent option for those in rural New Zealand looking for affordable, dependable internet with minimal hassle. Their focus on customer service and rural accessibility makes them an ideal choice for underserved areas. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and see if Rural Connect is right for you.